Surprise Kinder Egg time! Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, puppies are so hard to open sometimes.
You seem to be managing pretty well.
Come on.
Oh, that came off easy.
I'll do it. Can't get it open.
Need some help?
Oh, we got more gorillas. I love gorillas. I love them.
Oh, let me see. Let me see. Put them in your hand flat so I can see them. Oh, is it a mommy and a baby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can I see them?
I guess they're just supposed to be sitting together.
Oh, they're adorable. I like these. Oh, the little baby. Yeah, you're gonna. Oh, chocolate, you little chocoholic.
I know. I love chocolate. That's for the chocoholic.
She gets that from her grandma. Oh, those are just too cute. So luckily this one did not require any assembly, but it has like little papers showing where these gorillas come from. And then also the other animals in this series. The gorillas also came with this cute little
bush with bananas.
With bananas, because we know that gorillas love bananas. Oh, so we have the mama gorilla cuddling her baby gorilla.
I'm gonna go get the man. I hope the minions don't steal the gorilla's bananas.
Banana. All right.
There's Cindy.
Cindy wants to steal the bananas, though.
Yeah, don't eat them. Oh, fine, Mommy. I just love banana pie.
I do too. Banana cream pie. That's my favorite. Yum, 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 yum. All right. Well, we're going to go play with these. Did you have fun opening your surprise Kinder Egg?
Yeah.
Huh?
Bye.
Bye, friends.
In the wild, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. In a wild, crocodile. See you later, alligator. In a wild, crocodile.